Hello and welcome to English Time with Ben. My name is Ben. I am from the United States. I am happy you are here. Today the episode is about helping at home. Helping at home is very useful. Helping at home helps your family. Helping at home helps you learn English. Helping at home is a way to practice simple words. We will learn words and sentences. We will practice speaking. We will practice listening. We will practice polite words. First, I will teach simple words for chores. Learn these words one by one. Clean, wash, sweep, mop, vacuum, cook, bake, cut, chop, stir, serve, set the table, clear the table, wash dishes, dry dishes, put dishes away, take out the trash, sort the trash, make the bed, change the sheets, fold clothes, put clothes away, do the laundry, iron clothes, water the plants, feed the pet, walk the dog, help the baby, help the elderly, help a neighbor, drive to the store, buy food, carry the bags, ask for help, say thank you. Now I will give simple sentences with these words. Say each sentence with me. I will say the sentence. Then you repeat. Repeat after me. I will speak slowly. I clean the kitchen. I wash the dishes. I dry the plates. I put the plates away. I sweep the floor. I mop the floor. I vacuum the room. I cook dinner. I bake a cake. I cut the vegetables. I chop the onion. I stir the soup. I serve the food. I set the table. I clear the table. I take out the trash. I sort the trash. I make the bed. I change the sheets. I fold the clothes. I put the clothes away. I do the laundry. I iron the shirt. I water the plants. I feed the pet. I walk the dog. I help the baby. I help my mother. I help my father. I help my brother. I help my sister. I help my neighbor. I drive to the store. I buy food. I carry the bags. Now I will give an example of how you should introduce yourself. Listen and then try. Hello, my name is Ben. I am from the United States. I live with my family. I help at home every day. I clean the kitchen on Monday. I wash the dishes in the evening. I cook on Saturdays. I set the table for dinner. I take out the trash when it is full. I fold the clothes after the laundry. I help my sister with her homework. I feed the dog every morning. I water the plants on Sunday. I like to help at home because it is kind. I like to help at home because I learn new words. Nice to meet you. Now I will give a short conversation. This is a monologue conversation. I will play both roles. You can listen and repeat. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that you said. Hello, I am Ben. How are you today? I am fine, thank you. Do you help at home? Yes, I help at home. What do you do at home? I wash the dishes. I cook sometimes. I clean my room. I take out the trash. Do you like to help? Yes, I like to help. Helping is good. Helping makes my family happy. That is the end of the short conversation. Now some polite questions you can use at home. Use these to ask for help or to offer help. Can you help me with this? Will you help me please? Can you set the table? Can you wash the dishes? Can you take out the trash? Can you fold the clothes? Can you sweep the floor? Can you water the plants? Can you feed the dog? Could you please help me with the laundry? I am busy now. Can you help me later? I will help you later. Thank you for your help. You are welcome. Now some simple answers to these questions. I can help. I will help you. I want to help. I am helping now. Yes, I can do that. No, I am busy now. I can help later. I do not know how. Can you show me? Please show me how. Thank you for showing me, I like to learn. Now more practice. Repeat these short sentences. Repeat after me slowly. I can help. I will help. I am helping. I do not know. Please show me, I like to help. That is kind. Thank you. You are welcome. Good job. Now a family conversation. I will be the parent. I will ask a child to help. You can be the child. You can repeat the child lines. Parent, please clean your room. Child, I will clean my room now. Parent, please set the table. Child, I will set the table now. Parent, please wash the dishes. Child, I will wash the dishes now. Parent, please take out the trash. Child, I will take out the trash now. Parent, please feed the dog. Child, I will feed the dog now. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that you said. Practice the lines again. Say them with your own voice. Say them slowly. Say them clearly. Now some helpful phrases when you want to offer help. You can say these to a family member. I can help with the dishes. I can cook dinner. I can clean the living room. I can take out the trash. I can wash the car. I can help with the baby. I can help with the shopping. I can carry the bags. I can mow the lawn. I can clean the garage. I can clean the bathroom. I can help tomorrow. I can come at 5 o'clock. Now some short role play for polite refusal and alternative. You may be busy but you want to be polite. Parent, can you help me with the homework? Child, I am busy now but I can help after dinner. Parent, can you wash the dishes? Child, I am doing my homework now but I will wash the dishes in 30 minutes. Parent, can you walk the dog? Child, I can walk the dog later at 6. These sentences help keep good manners. Now a short practice for instructions. Use the verb and the object. Repeat each line. Wash the dishes. Dry the dishes. Put the dishes away. Clean the table. Sweep the floor. Mop the floor. Make the bed. Change the sheets. Fold the clothes. Put the clothes away. Take out the trash. Recycle the bottles. Feed the pet. Walk the dog. Water the plants. Cook dinner. Preheat the oven. Stir the soup. Cut the fruit. Chop the onion. Serve the food. Now a lesson on time and routine. Use simple words to say when you do chores. In the morning I make the bed. In the morning I feed the dog. In the afternoon I do the laundry. In the evening I cook dinner. In the evening I wash the dishes. On Saturday I clean my room. On Sunday I water the plants. On Monday I take out the trash. On Friday I vacuum the house. Use these sentences to tell your routine. Now some simple questions about routine. Repeat after me. What do you do in the morning? I make the bed in the morning. What do you do in the afternoon? I do the laundry in the afternoon. What do you do in the evening? I cook dinner in the evening. When do you feed the pet? I feed the pet in the morning. When do you take out the trash? I take out the trash on Monday. Now a short exercise. I will say a question. Then I will pause. Then I will say a good answer. You can repeat the answer. Who cleans the kitchen? I clean the kitchen. Who washes the dishes? I wash the dishes. Who cooks dinner? My mother cooks dinner. Who mows the lawn? My father mows the lawn. Who waters the plants? I water the plants. Who walks the dog? My sister walks the dog. Pause the video if you need more time to repeat. Now some kind phrases to say after help. Say these to show thanks. Thank you for your help. Thank you for cooking. Thank you for the clean room. Thank you for the food. Thank you for doing the dishes. You are very kind. I appreciate your help. That helps me a lot. I am grateful. Now a short practice where I ask for help and you reply. Repeat both lines if you like. Ben, can you help with the dishes? Yes, I can help with the dishes. Ben, will you set the table? Yes, I will set the table. Ben, can you take out the trash? Yes, I will take out the trash. Ben, can you feed the cat? Yes, I will feed the cat. You can change the name if you want. Use your own name and your own family. Now some simple words to say that you need help. I need help with the dishes. I need help with the shopping. I need help with the homework. I need help with the baby. I need help with the heavy box. Can you help me with this heavy box? I need help now. I need help later. Please help me. Now a small story about helping at home. I will tell a short story. Listen and repeat sentences. I wake up at 7. I make the bed. I feed the dog. I eat breakfast. I wash my cup. I go to work. After work I cook dinner. I set the table. I call my mother. I take out the trash. I do the laundry on Saturday. I clean my room on Sunday. My family is happy when I help. My friends are proud when I help. Helping at home is a good habit. Now some more repeat practice. Repeat after me. Helping at home is good. Helping at home is kind. Helping at home is simple. Helping at home makes a team. Helping at home helps the family. Helping at home helps you learn words. Now I will give more example dialogues. These are small and simple. You can repeat each line. Dialogue 1. Mother, can you help me with the homework? Son, I am busy now, but I can help after dinner. Mother, thank you. Son, you are welcome. Dialogue 2. Father, can you wash the car? Son, yes, I will wash the car this afternoon. Father, thank you. Son, no problem. Dialogue 3. Sister, can you set the table? Brother, yes, I will set the table now. Sister, thank you. Brother, you are welcome. Now some practice with questions and answers for chores. What can I do to help? You can wash the dishes. You can set the table. You can take out the trash. You can fold the clothes. You can sweep the floor. Which chore do you like? I like to cook. I like to wash the dishes. I like to clean the windows. I like to water the plants. Now tips for good manners when you help. Say please when you ask. Say thank you when someone helps you. Be patient when you learn. Be kind when you ask. Speak in a calm voice. Use simple words. Say sorry if you make a mistake. Say I am sorry I made a mistake. Then say I will try again. Now a short practice with polite forms. Repeat after me. Please help me. Can you please help me? Could you please help me? Thank you for your help. Thank you very much. You are welcome. I am sorry. Do not worry. Now a final practice of many sentences. I will say many sentences. Try to repeat a few at a time. I clean my room on Sunday. I help my mother with the shopping. I buy milk and bread. I put the milk in the fridge. I put the bread on the table. I cook rice for dinner. I make a sandwich for lunch. I wash the fruit before I eat. I dry the dishes after washing. I put the dishes in the drawer. I take out the trash on Monday morning. I recycle the plastic bottles. I walk the dog after school. I feed the fish every evening. I water the plants twice a week. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that you said. Use that time to speak out loud. Practice your voice. Practice your pronunciation. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Speak with a smile. Now I will give a short challenge. Try to say 5 sentences about what you do at home. Say them out loud. Use the words we learned. For example, say I wash the dishes. I set the table. I take out the trash. I feed the dog. I water the plants. Now your turn. Pause the video and say your 5 sentences. Now some final quick tips. Start small. Try 1 chore a day. Use simple words. Ask questions if you do not know. Say please and thank you. Be proud of your help. Helping is a good way to learn English and to show care. That is all for today's lesson. Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe. See you next time.